Turned into a really nice day, didn't it?
It did. It was chillier this morning, though.
It was chillier all day. 10 degrees on average, cooler than we were this time yesterday. 15 at this hour. So it is going to warm up, and we have a great weekend ahead. And great holiday season ahead, too, from our long-range forecast. But look at this. This is the last hour or so looking from our tower cam at a gorgeous sunset over the Gulf of Mexico. Sun setting right now at 5:38. We've gained 3 minutes in the evening of daylight since the earliest sunset occurred back on November 30th. And it's just going to get better and better as the evenings get brighter. 53, the current temperature at the airport. Dew point 46 with a humidity of 77%. These northwest winds are going to shift around to the south, bringing in more moisture and milder temperatures starting late tonight. Now, it was cool this morning, 45. We should be at 54, and the high only 63, more than 10 degrees cooler than normal. But it can get, as I said, Scott, 1962, it was down to 22 degrees. So it wasn't all that cold. Here's our satellite view showing a few high clouds streaming over us. But really, I don't think there's anything in the way to get in between you and the Geminid meteor showers later tonight. Now, if we look back over the Gulf, we've got a lot of high clouds streaming our way that will be here probably closer to 3, 4, 5 in the morning. So you've got most of the night to enjoy this meteor shower, which sometimes produces spectacular fireballs, and also maybe about 1 meteor per minute on average. You could go a minute or 2 or 3 without seeing anything at all, but I look to the east after sunset, which it now is, and you can see the Orion's belt. Most of you can spot those 3 stars in a row. Look to the left of that, and you will see Castor and Pollux to help you identify the Gemini constellation, and the meteors radiate from that. And they're caused by a very strange object that scientists don't know exactly what it is. Most meteor showers caused by the debris left by comets. This is not really a comet. If it is, it's one that's used up all its snow, or it just could be a rock passing by. That's what they're telling me anyway. Across the Great Lakes, a snowy night. They're not going to see the meteor showers up through here because one after the other, they've had 3 snowstorms. And we're still getting lake effect snow in the upper parts of the Great Lakes. And here is the forecast for that particular Alberta Clipper, very quickly hitting the New York City area by the morning commute, but again moving quickly out and leaving cold temperatures in its wake, and more lake effect snow setting up by tomorrow afternoon and evening. Not pleasant. Now, there's the weather pattern showing that dip in the jet stream over the northeast and bitter cold over eastern Canada. So by comparison, our weather is pretty darn good, and it's actually going to get better. 72 at Los Angeles, 54 at Albuquerque right now. Here are weather headlines for our Sun Coast. Look for it to not be as cool tonight, and look for it not to be as cool for the next several days as we get warmer, a warming trend with more clouds through Friday. And by the weekend, by Sunday anyway, we could be touching the low 80s, 81, 82 degrees. That's what we're thinking will happen by Sunday. Here's our futurecast show. High pressure out here in the Gulf, and as it moves on past, we'll have a more southerly wind developing. I don't think this is rain that's going to hit the ground. The computer model is overblowing that. And a front will come through, probably dry by late Friday evening, setting the stage for over the weekend, a great weekend with high pressure again building, the winds turning from the south. We have another front coming in on Monday from the north. I don't think that rain will quite make it to the Sun Coast, but stay tuned. That forecast could be updated. Here's my forecast for the rest of tonight. Look for it to be clear and not as cool, low 50, average would be 55, and tomorrow fair to partly sunny skies, sometimes more clouds than sun. It'll be cooler. The high temperature 72 with those northwest winds 5 to 10. And then for the next 7 days, look at this. We warm up to 73 by Friday, 75 Saturday. Sunday, look at this, 81, 82 on Monday with that slight chance of rain from the front. And it stays dry through next week and not all that cold. So that's our weather forecast I really like giving.